Yeah.
Money on my mind, money on my mind,
Yeah.
money on my mind, money on my mind,
Yeah.
money on my mind, money on my mind,
That's right.
money on my mind, so money is all I think of.
Hey, I'm Bloggin Brandi of blogginbrandi.com, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money on YouTube, and you don't need any subscribers. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of this video so that you can get your YouTube channel set up for success. So how do you make money on YouTube without any subscribers? Well, you can either sell your products and services or you can sell someone else's. So the first way to make money on YouTube without any subscribers is to use what's called affiliate links. So what are affiliate links? It just means that you have a link, you put it in the description of your video, and when people click it and buy stuff that you've recommended, you make money. Like in this video, I might tell you that you can pick up this vlog stick or the clicker that I'm using on Amazon.com. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, and if you were to go and purchase that from Amazon, I would make a little commission. But Amazon's the easiest place to get started. There are tons of other places to get started. You can literally search Google and put in affiliate programs. Some of them are networks, and then you have people who have their own individual programs. So if you're on a company's website, a lot of times you can just scroll to the bottom of the screen and you'll see where it says affiliate program, or you could put in the company name affiliate program into search and see if something comes up. So the second way that you can make money is to create your own merchandise. Like this mug that I created using Printful. Now Printful is a really easy free platform to get started on, and I actually created a video on this already about how I did it, which you can check out in the description below this video, and start creating merchandise of your own. So the third way to make money on YouTube without any subscribers is to write a book like this one, which is the one that I wrote, Brand Like a Boss. And you can get started on Amazon's KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, doing this absolutely free for yourself. And if you're not a whiz and guru at book writing, you could head over to Fiverr.com, which I'll put a link to below this video, and get someone to write the book for you. They can edit it, they can format it, they can create a cover for you, and you never even have to do any of this for yourself. So the fourth way to make money on YouTube without any subscribers, you can sell your services. So if you haven't created your own products, you can sell your skills. And how I mentioned Fiverr, where you can go and buy people's skills and get them to do things for you. You can also sell your skills and do stuff for other people and get paid for it. As well as there's another option you can use called Upwork. And it's another network where you can put yourself out there and say, hey, here's what I can offer you, whether you're an administrative assistant or graphic designer or you do data entry. These are all things that people will pay you for. So like on this video, I might tell people that you could hire me to help you create your email marketing or design your website or schedule your social media or
help you make your YouTube videos.
So if you want to hire me to help you, you can always hit me up at Brandi at blogginbrandi.com, Brandi at blogginbrandi.com, and I can help you start your own YouTube channel
or make you a video.
Speaking of which, the fifth way to make money on YouTube is to get sponsored or create videos for other companies, not just yourself. So if you're in a niche, like I have a blog called Arversity or a YouTube channel called Arversity that's all about RVing, That might be something where campgrounds, RV websites, RV dealerships might want to hire me to help them create content for their YouTube channel or their social media or make videos for them. I've also had a ton of people, believe it or not, this is how I make money, is I get views on my videos. So people find my videos in search. Like I made a video about GoDaddy and how to create a website. I made a video about MailChimp and how to create your own email list. And I've had people from all over the world call me to make videos for them. So I get emails every day of people asking me to make videos, all because of some other videos that I made. So I created these tutorial videos and now people ask me to create videos for them. Don't think of sponsors all as in terms of money. Also consider that a lot of companies will give you free products or access to their platform or services in lieu of making videos for them or creating content for them, maybe doing some type of review. So it's not just about the money, there's also other perks involved. And sponsors don't necessarily have to be large companies. I've seen a lot of people use what's called a patron account, and you can tell people to donate, say a monthly subscription fee. It can be $1, $5, $10, and you can put out extra content or videos or have some type of offer that you give them in lieu of them giving you money and supporting you and your channel and your efforts. Let's review. The first way that you can make money on YouTube is to use affiliate links. The second way that you can make money on YouTube is to create and sell your own merchandise. The third way to make money on YouTube is to write a book. The fourth way to make money on YouTube without any subscribers is to sell your services or skills. And the fifth way to make money on YouTube without any subscribers is to get sponsored or to make videos for other people. There's one little thing I forgot to tell you about. It doesn't really matter if you have subscribers on YouTube, because I'll tell you, on most of my channels, about 80 to 90% of my channel is not subscribed. But I have hundreds of thousands of views on my channels, and that comes from SEO and ranking my videos in search results. Just because you don't have subscribers doesn't mean that you don't have thousands and thousands of views. So now you know how to make money on YouTube even without any subscribers. But even though you don't have subscribers, you still want views. And if you want views while you snooze, then you're going to want to pick up my YouTube channel checklist, which is going to walk you through setting up your YouTube channel for success. So when people find your content, they actually watch your videos. You can pick that up in the description below this video. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Bloggin Brandi, and I'll see you in the next video. Like in this video, I might tell you that you can pick up this blog stick, blah, blah, blah. Speaking of which, the fifth way to So now you know how to, forgot what I was saying. I forgot what I was saying again. So now you know how to make money on YouTube. I should hold my money. Hold my money. That's weird. That's creepy. That's creepy.
Money.